A child has no knowledge of anything when it is born. It doesn't understand any language or numbering system. And that's precisely why you can teach it any language, and the child can still grow up and be as successful as ever. Although, of course, a program may learn much more rapidly than what a human child is capable of, but that's still up for debate. So if we can truly combine all these aspects together, make them work in, say, harmony, then we can get a form of technological singularity, where the human aspect of consciousness communicates with the machine-like ability. And after doing this, they fuse together. And at that point, machine becomes more than just a tool. In fact, that time period when this singularity occurs is expected to happen in 2029.